Here's a quick review of the Daisy Red Ryder BB gun. You can find this gun at Cabela's, Dick's Sporting Goods, Sports Authority, or even Walmart. You can find it for around $30, which is a pretty good deal considering the quality and accuracy of the gun. This gun features a fully wooden stock with a Red Ryder engravement and a wooden handle part right here. It's pretty much, the rest of it's all metal. The barrel's metal, the lever cocking handle's metal. The only real plastic pieces of this gun are the front sights, safety, and trigger. This gun features 350 feet per second. It says it has an effective range of 195 yards, but that's complete bullshit because this gun pretty much can go, the effective range is about 100 feet, and after that you're not going to be able to hit anything with good accuracy. But yeah, the rear sights are metal. It's a good gun for beginners. It might be a little hard for, I'd say, kids under 10 to cock the lever cocking handle, since I'd say it's a little hard to do so if you're that age. And to feed the BBs in, there's a little latch right here. I'll get to that in a bit. And you can oil the gun, since there's mostly metal parts. Insert the oil right there, and yep, very affordable, good gun to get. And now I'll get to a little more into the gun. Alright, so more about the gun. It has a Red Ryder engravement right here. I guess it's good for beginners, but the lever is kind of hard to cock back, so it might be tough for them to do that. Safety's pretty simple. To get the BBs in and get ready to shoot, you just, this latch right here, you push in and then up. It can hold 650 BBs, so just load it once and you won't run out for a while. And then you just, like, it's gravity fed, so you just tilt the gun like this and you see a BB, then you just cock it and it's ready to shoot. Pretty simplistic design, if you ask me, and the sights are pretty much sighted in when you get it. I didn't have trouble sighting it in at all. It's pretty accurate, and it's got good power to it. Definitely a fun gun to shoot around if you're bored or teaching someone to shoot. Alright, I'm going to be doing a quick shooting test for the gun, and I'll tell you the specs as soon as we get to that point. Okay, so now we're at a shooting test for this gun. I'm going to be 40 feet away shooting at that target. I'm not really necessarily going to be trying to get as many bullets as I can inside the little target there. I'm just going to be aiming right dead on in the center and continuously be shooting in the same spot to see how well of a grouping we can create. And so yeah, 40 feet, Daisy Red Ryder. Here we go. Alright, so let's see here. That's pretty damn good. I could barely see the target from 40 feet. I was just aiming to the best of my ability to the center of the target and got a nice, I'd say 4 or 5 inch grouping right there. Man, that's a lot better consistency than I expected. So as you can see, $30 BB gun does the job from 40 feet. Could probably even have further range. That's pretty damn good right there. So yep, 10 shots and 9 of them actually went in the target a little bit high, so I have to just adjust the sights a little bit differently than I had them. But that's good grouping right there. So Red Ryder BB gun, 350 FPS, say effective range of 80-100 feet, and all metal and wood pretty much. Overall, I'd probably give this BB gun a 9 out of 10. It's very affordable, 30 bucks, and its accuracy and power can't go wrong. Especially its quality, which is what I'm very surprised about. Only paying 30 bucks, and especially its accuracy, as we've seen previously. So yep, 9 out of 10. Recommend you get it. Awesome gun. Daisy, pretty damn good company. Take pride, it's a fucking Daisy.